Dive into this tasty French-style seafood stew. It's made from responsibly sourced seafood from cloves. To start, heat the oil in a heavy-base casserole pot or large saucepan over medium-high heat. Add the sliced fennel, celery and carrots and cook stirring for about 5 minutes or until the fennel softens. Add the leek and garlic and cook stirring for 2 minutes until the leek softens. Pour in the wine and bring to a simmer. Cook for 2 minutes or until the wine reduces by half. Next, add the tomato, orange zest, orange juice and tomato paste and stir to combine. Pour in the stock and add the thyme. Bring to a simmer and cook stirring occasionally for about 10 minutes or until the tomato is tender and the mixture thickens slightly. Now add the fish, prawns, squid and mussels. Cover the pot with a lid and cook for 10 minutes or until the fish is just cooked through and the mussels have opened. Garnish with the reserved fennel fronds and season with salt and pepper. Serve with crusty bread and aioli. Divide the stew among serving bowls and enjoy. This delicious seafood stew is the perfect comfort food for those cooler nights.